amazing kids. Let's go over our objective for math today. Say, I can identify, draw, and compare polygons given what I know about attributes. All right, so let's take a look at our essential questions for today. Number 1, what are 2D and 3D shapes? And if you forgot, you may want to watch some of my videos from last week to help remind you. Number 2, what are polygons? You may want to watch Friday's lesson from last week. And number 3, how can you compare shapes? All right, we're going to take a look at those during our lesson today. All right, do you want this the easy way or the hard way? All right, I'm going to show you 2 ways. I'm going to say 2 ways to get to your Google Classroom account. All right, here we go. First, the hard way. Go to www.qcusd.org. There's going to be a little box that pops up. Just press the little X. No worries about that at all. Then you're going to go to students. I'm going to say students. All right, so then you're going to go down to tools. Clever is right there. You just click on that. I'm going to show you one more time. All right, you're going to go to students at the top. Then you're going to go to clever and click on clever. You will be right into your account. Then there's one more step inside Clever that you need to do, and that is go to Mrs. McGuire's class. Inside Miss McGuire's class, you'll find our other resources, and Google Classroom is right there for you. How cool is that? And then you're there. You just click on it and go to My Class. I'm going to show you one more way to get to your Google Classroom account. So on Google, just google.com, you will find these things at the top: Gmail, images, little app dots, and then your profile circle. So if you want to get to Clever, what you're going to do is you're going to make sure that this circle is you. So you click on it and it will show you your name. Make sure that is your name and not your brother's name, your sister's name, your mom, your dad's name. Make sure it's your name. Okay? This will only work, this shortcut way will only work if you've already logged in on this device. Okay? So make sure if this is a device you've already logged into Google using Clever, then it'll work. Okay, and click on the apps right here, and down below you'll have to scroll down and you can find Google Classroom. Just click on that and it will bring you right to my Classroom account. It's going to look like this. You just go 2nd grade 2019-2020 and click on it. And then I'm going to take you on a little short tour of Google Classroom for you. If it has the little clipboard icon, that's a challenge I want you to try to do. If it has a little bubble of me, that's just something I want to share with you. It's like I'm talking, okay? It's an announcement like, hey, check out this website. Hey, this is super cool. Hey, check out this link, okay? So this is just me talking. This is where you're going to find your assignments, okay? And this assignment is going to be in day 2, okay? So I've organized it by days for you, so it's a lot easier to find everything all in one place. Say, thanks, Miss Wire. You're amazing. All right, we're going to click on this, and when you click on that, you're going to see right up at the top, your assignment's already on there. You just click on it and you are right there where you need to be, okay? And you're going to create your own digital Venn diagram. Isn't that cool? All right, we're going to click on the little X's and get back to where we need to be onto our presentation. All right, guys, we're going to compare 2 shapes. On yours, it's going to have... it's going to be blank. So you need to click on it. Oh, I got to go on my presentation here. You're going to click on it. It's going to say, type your shape here. And you're going to click on it, make it blue by clicking on it twice and deleting. Okay? Click on it twice and delete. And then you write the shape that you want. Okay? Click on it twice, delete, and make the shape that write the name of the shape that you want. Okay? It's going to tell you exactly where it wants you to type, and you just have to delete those little words where it says type here, okay? So we're going to compare cone and cylinder. When you're making your Venn diagram, please do not use the same shapes that I chose. That's copying. You know better, right? So you can choose one of the same shapes, but it just cannot be both, okay? You cannot have the exact same answers as me. No, thank you. All right. So we're going to click on it. Oh, these are called text boxes. You click on them, and that's where you're going to type. Double click on them twice. All right, click on them twice. Double click means click twice. All right, guys. So we're going to compare cone and cylinder. What is a cone's attributes and what is a cylinder's attributes? Well, I know that a cone has, I know it has one vertex. Okay, so I'm going to write that. One vertex. And then when I'm looking at a cylinder, that's like that can shape. You know what? That shape, let me get a can. A cylinder doesn't have any vertices, does it? It doesn't. So we're going to say 0 vertices. All right. Okay. All right. Let's see what else. I know that a cone it has one face on the bottom of it. And I know that a cylinder has two faces. Okay. Well, let's see. I know. Edges. We forgot to talk about edges. Does a cylinder have any edges? No, it's round, right? It doesn't have any edges. Okay, well, does a cone have edges? You know what? A cone is round too. Think of an ice cream cone. It's completely round. You can hold it in your hand nicely. Okay, so that's something they both have. We're going to put 0 edges. They both have 0 edges. All right. Okay. And then is the cone open or closed? It is closed. It doesn't have any space for anything to get. If we pretend there's animals in there, they can't get out, right? Cylinder. It's a closed shape too. There's no openings on that. All right. So this is exactly the process that I want you to take. There's one more thing you can do at the end to make it super fancy. If you want to get fancy with it and you think you're like an expert, what you can do is you can go to insert image. See that little bubble right here? Insert image. And we're going to go search the web. And we're going to say cylinder. Oh man, look at that. It's right there. We're going to click on it twice. And we're going to get a huge cylinder. Look at that crazy cylinder. We are going to take this one right up here. And we're going to bring it down. And I just dragged the whole shape down, my bad. Okay, we're going to see that little arrow that goes sideways. We're going to bring that down, and it's going to make our shape small. We can put it down here. All right, cool. Say cool beans. All right, again, we go to insert image, search the web, and this time we're going to search. Oh, whoops. Go back. We're going to search for a cone. And we're going to double click on it. Twice click. And again, go to that top corner and make your arrow. See how that's going to move your entire shape. And this one is going to make your shape smaller. We do not want a huge cone in the middle of our cool Venn diagram. All right, and then you can just pop that right in there. And that's only if you want to make it super fancy. If that's a little bit like, whoa, Miss McGuire, that's a little bit too crazy for me, then you can skip that step, okay? On the Venn diagram, I want you to have at least 3 differences, all right? And try to think of some things that are similarities. And then I also, as I put the shapes on there, if you decide to add images, you can also talk about the color. So I know that this one is blue and this one is green. Okay, and then you can talk about the size if you want to make this one a little bit, or we can say they're both small. Oh no. Okay, there we go. Thought I lost everything. Okay, then we're going to go to small. Also, just a quick tip here when you're using Google Documents, if for some reason you make a big mistake and you accidentally do this, watch this, guys. If you accidentally do that, don't worry. Don't click anything else, but go right here to the top where it says undo. Undo. What? There's an undo button. Okay. Voila. It's back. Okay. Don't freak out. I'm going to show you that again. Watch this. Oh, my work is gone. I worked so hard on that. Don't worry. Google's got you covered. Check this out. Undo. There it is. Voila. Okay. All right, guys, have fun with this. So again, let me go over the instructions on that challenge. It's going to look just like this in Google Classroom. Say, that is so awesome. All right, guys, here we go. Our challenge, again, create your own Venn diagram digitally using 2 shapes of your own choice. Do not use the same ones that I did. You can do 2D shapes. You can do 3D shapes. Your choice. And you're going to do this on Google Classroom. Do not forget to click turn in after you're done, okay? I can't wait to see all your hard work. You guys are amazing. Love you guys. Bye.